Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shivani. It would surprise you that my engagement with the ZAF Foundation was not a planned one, but I would say a destined one. It started with me supporting my younger sister Gayatri on two key initiatives at the ZAF family, namely fundraising towards Swayam and Swayam outreach programs. We focused on fundraising that provides money for expenses for training as well as materials for women workers. In addition to which, we were also involved in the outreach initiative that ensures that the products are sold and branding and awareness is brought about via interesting and original blogs. It's amazing that this cycle of providing funds for materials and further ensuring that the end products are sold is completely self sufficient and has led to notable outcomes on the ground. Aman sir, I'd like to thank you for giving me an opportunity not only to contribute towards this good cause, but also the chance to understand the strategy and philosophy behind the ZAF Foundation. Of course, a big, huge thanks to my little sister for involving me in a social cause even during my hectic medical internship. I'm truly blessed with this chance that got me back to the giving front. India is still a developing country, and it needs a whole lot of support from the grassroots movements like ZAF to realize her full potential. Of all the pre and post independent leaders, our dear APJ sir stands as a youth icon and a great role model through his affinity to science and philosophy alike. His ideology and influence have done wonders to generations and enabled them to dream together for a bigger, brighter future. Humorously, he used to refer to this as the 2020 vision, beneath which there's a clear scientific temperament and conceptual clarity that has been visible in his every action. It's an honor to be associated with the ZAF family, who has taken this missile man as their role model and aligned every one of their initiatives to support the 2020 vision. What impressed me the most about ZAF is, in spite of a large number of prevailing theories and jargons, they have adopted a realistic, on the ground, pragmatic approach to the current challenges with simple and clear vision statement Young Resilient India, which promotes harmony, equality, peace, love, truth, justice. Precisely the need of the hour. Yes, 1 ounce of action is definitely equivalent to a ton of talk. ZAF clearly demonstrates it is action oriented at every level, and it's a privilege to be a part of the story. Finally, we are all trying to keep each other safe in these challenging times of the current pandemic situation. As a medical practitioner, hoping we as a society will pull through not only with a good physical well being but a great mental health as well. I'd like to leave you all, young resilient Indians, with the words of APJ sir: let the difficulties know that you too are too difficult. Thank you once again.